There lived a man named David in a city. He lived with his wife, Laura, and their 3 children. Their elder son was Ryan, then their daughter Emma, and the youngest was a sweet little girl named Anna. Anna had a pet dog named Max. She loved Max very much. Max had a bad habit. He always ate food wherever he found it. He spilled milk on the floor, dragged food under the table, and left muddy paw prints on the carpet. Sometimes he knocked over plates and broke glasses while trying to reach food. The whole family was fed up with him, except Anna. Her mother and siblings wanted to send Max to a shelter, but Anna always argued. David always took Anna's side. One afternoon, Ryan was drinking his favorite milkshake in his room. He left the glass on the table and went to the bathroom. When he came back, he shouted,
"Oh no! Not again!"
The glass was broken, and pieces were scattered everywhere.
"My favorite milkshake!"
Ryan yelled.
"I won't spare Max this time."
He ran out of the room. Max was hiding in Anna's lap.
"Mom! Max spilled my favorite milkshake!"
Ryan shouted angrily.
"Look at the mess he made!"
He added. Emma shook her head.
"He always makes a mess,"
she said. Anna hugged Max tightly and said,
"He doesn't do it on purpose."
"Ryan, relax. He's just a dog,"
David said calmly.
"We can manage a little mess."
Ryan went back to his room angrily. One day, Laura was cooking food. Her sister was coming for dinner. She went to her room for a moment. Max sneaked into the kitchen. He jumped onto the counter, grabbed some custard and rice from the dishes, and knocked over a bowl of salad. The custard spilled on the floor. Rice scattered everywhere, and a little tomato sauce splashed on the walls. Utensils clattered loudly as plates crashed to the floor. After this, Max ran away quickly. Laura returned and froze. Her eyes widened.
"Max, you've ruined everything!"
she shouted. The children and David rushed in.
"Mom, what happened?"
Ryan asked. Laura pointed at the mess and cried.
"Max did this! Send him to a shelter!"
Anna's eyes filled with tears.
"Dad, please don't."
David said softly.
"I'll clean everything. Don't worry. I'll also bring some ready-made dishes for dinner. The dinner will still be special."
Laura sighed and nodded.
"Okay."
One day, Anna invited her friends. Laura served food.
"Yum. Your mom makes the best food,"
Mia said. Suddenly, Max ran in and put his mouth into the dishes.
My favorite chocolate cake!
Mia screamed.
Oh God! Look at all the mess!
Lily shouted. Anna felt ashamed.
I'm sorry. I'll order something,
she said.
No,
said Mia.
I'm going. Me too,
said Lily. They left. Anna shouted.
I won't spare you. Where are you?
Her siblings, Ryan and Emma, hid their smiles. Laura sighed and said softly,
Now you can see what we go through every day.
David smiled and said,
Come on, Anna. Let's go to your room.
He held her hand and led her away. The next morning, Anna came into the kitchen. She was ready for school. She ate her breakfast and headed to the door.
Dad, please take Max to a shelter. It's better for all of us,
she said sadly. The family sat in silence. That evening, Anna sat in her room, hugging her knees. Outside, David carefully placed Max in the car. Laura and the other children were already in the porch. Max looked back through the window, his little eyes full of trust. But Anna didn't come out. Laura wiped her tears and said,
Go, my dear. Stay blessed.
Anna sat quietly in her room, tears rolling down her cheeks.
It will be good for everyone. Max, live long, my dear,
she murmured. She took a deep breath.
Now I understand how much my family has been facing because of Max. I don't want Mom to feel ashamed in front of anyone, like I did before with my friends.